So whenever you are given an array and you encounter a problem like to remove the duplicates, for example, here these are the duplicates and the output should be 1, 2, 3 and 4. So whenever you encounter this problem, basic logic which you can use anywhere is you need to, just a second, let me erase this. You need a two pointer approach for which there will be I and j, two pointers, both pointing on I equals to 1 and j equals to 1, both pointing on the 1, because this will stay there, like first element will stay there. You cannot see if it's a single or double, like you'll always see the second element, first element, this element will always be there, even it's repeating, this will be there. So the main logic here would be we'll start from I and we'll loop through I equals to 1 to n, which is I goes from this to the last element, and the main condition here is we'll check if these two, like if these adjacent element are similar, then what we'll do, we'll update the j and we'll carry on I, putting the next element into that j. I'll explain it with this example. The loop here would be is not equals to array of I minus 1, and if it's array j plus plus equals to array of I. So the logic here is uh, this thing. If array of I, which is array of first is 2, if array of 2 is not equals to array of I plus 1, which is element backward is 1. If these two are not equal, which is yes, they are not equal, then what you need to do, you need to insert j plus plus, j is 1 here, so j, it's a post increment as you can see, so it will be 1 here only, and I equals to 1, I is also 1. So here it will be uh, the assignment operator, like okay, then a is equals to 1 and a of 1 and a of what you say, I is here also 1, so both are 2. Now moving on to next element, j plus plus, j goes on to j becomes 2. After coming to this element, what we'll see, this is 2 here. Now again we'll come down to this loop and check if the previous element is not equals to, but here 2 is equals to 2. The previous element is equals to the, let me clear this out, previous element is equals to the number, and it just yeah, previous element is equals to the number. So what we'll do, if the logic was if array of I is not equals to array of I minus 1, it is equal, and j plus plus is equals to array of I. But just remember this, the value of j right now is 2 because we post incremented it, and we need not to do anything if these two are equal. We just need to keep j here, j equals to 2 because 0, 1 and 2. We just need to keep j here, and we need to increment the I. We do not need to increment j, so we incremented I. Now I is equals to 3. I was first, I was second, and I is 3. Now on 3 we can see the element which is available is 3. So we'll check 3, previous element 2, if these are equal. No, they are not equal. We will enter this loop because there is a condition, if they are not equal. We'll enter this loop and we'll see array of j plus plus. What was j? J was 2. 2 plus plus, but post increment. So it will be array of 2. Array of 2. The value on 2 is this thing 2. So 2 array of 2 is equals to. Now we will assign this a of I. A of I is currently on this element. So value of a of I is 3. So this digit is assigned to the second index of array, which is second index is this thing. So this will be changed to 3. This will be changed to 3. Now let me just rub